Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Syed Muhammad Abbas. I am CEO and founder of Movin Wheels Pakistan Private Limited. We are giving services to the transport industry in Pakistan. We are providing them smart analytics for their fleet management, which is not only based upon the empirical data but also assist them with the video analytics as well. And we are also working with FMCG sectors for the in-time delivery of their products, especially those which are perishable, like fruits, fresh fruits, vegetables, or raw milk. We are using advanced sensor systems, and we have deliberately made those sensor systems modular. It is very cost effective because it is been indigenously produced here in Pakistan. We have also a nationwide support network around Pakistan, from Mansehra to Islamabad, from Islamabad to Lahore to Multan, and from Multan to Sakkar, from Sakkar to Karachi and to Balochistan. We have all field teams available which are always ready to deploy these systems, to troubleshoot these systems. One of our main clients is Shell Pakistan. So we are giving them multiple products, and they are using those products into their fleet in order to improve the road safety of their vehicles. I still remember my first day going into the LUMS, but I've spent quite time there during my master's and PhD. I think whatever we are doing right now, whatever disruption we are creating in the transport industry, a big credit goes to LUMS, especially to Dr. Abu Bakr Muhammad for giving me an opportunity to learn all those stuff and then later on apply those in the industry. My advice to the new students, I think sky is the limit for you, because LUMS gives you every possible opportunity to enhance your knowledge base. I must advise them to spend their time in LUMS, in labs, play around with the things, ask your teachers, ask your faculty members regarding new gadgets, involve those new gadgets into your experimentations, and I think that's the recipe for success. I myself have also followed the similar lines, and I myself have felt that as soon as I stepped into my practical life, all those experiments, all those technological adventures I have done in LUMS, those actually paid me 100 out of 100.